Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about finding a duplicate characters with count. Okay, in a given string. Okay, if you see in my previous video, we saw that how to find a duplicate characters in a string. Okay, and we provided for built-in and without built-in function both the cases we have seen. Now in this particular case we are going to see for duplicate character count. Okay, how the count will be there. Okay, now for this I'm going to creating for another file. Okay, sorry, duplicate count.ts file. Okay, now I'm going to creating a function. Okay, that function is basically print duplicate count. Okay, see the code is ready. Okay, and here is basically which particular text we are passing, right? The text, okay, the string format, and because it need to be written for the number as well. Okay, and here if you want you can able to return, or else we can able to print itself, because we don't want to return the number, we want to print as well the character. If you return, right, it will return only for number. Okay, but apart, if you don't want to return, then we can able to use for a void. Okay, void is basically it will give you for values here itself. Okay, now this is the same, and here is basically characters, and we can remove this. Okay, and we need to do the characters. Okay, and key structure, and we need to get the numbers as well, and here is the for loop or for each loop, both the cases is okay, and I'm going to take the for loop. Okay, for loop, and I equal to 0, I is text dot length is the perfect, and it will get for that each and array, and then we need to do for a small changes here. uh, Char count. Okay, this is the one we are going to checking, and then we are going to I don't want to display the numbers here, but and here is a for l- let's see h in char count. Okay, in this, if the char count is greater than 1, then we are going to use that char. Means if any char, we are going to check the char count. If it is h is presented, then h is the entire thing is presented or not. If it is presented more than 1, then we are going to print as that is a count will be presented. Okay, now here it is, we are going to printing here. Okay, now I'm going to use this hello world. Okay, first we'll print this one, and then we'll see for next. And duplicate count dot ts file, I'm comparing now. Okay, dot js file. You can see the character L appear 3 times and character O appears 2 times. If you see this, what we are expected, that particular. Okay, see, this is the one character L appear three times, character O appear two times, 0 0, sorry, O twice, L three times, 1 2 3. Okay, three count. Like this we can able to make it. Okay, and in case if you need more like this, then you can use for Copilot also. It will rectify your issues in case if you are facing anything. Okay, which like Copilot information I have provided in my last previous videos. Okay, which is AI related stuff. In case if you want, you can try that as well. Okay, you can able to understand how we can able to use the Copilot and all. Okay, I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.